Hi and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the beginning of the song 1 by Metallica. My intention with this video is to do an easy lesson for beginners. That's why we're going to take a look only to the really beginning of the song, only the first 8 measures. It's in standard tuning, so just a guitar and let's begin. We start placing the index finger on the 2nd fret 5th string, and at the same time we put the pinky finger on the 4th fret 4th string, and with the right hand we play the strings 5, 4, 5. After that we lift the pinky finger in a way that we let the 4th string open, and we play that string. Be careful that you don't touch with your index finger that 4th string, because otherwise it's going to sound like this. Okay, so you have to leave space there so that the 4th string is totally open. Okay, and after that we put back the pinky finger, and now we lift the index finger and we put the 2nd finger on the 3rd fret 6th string, and now we play with the right hand the strings 6, 4, 6. And we lift the pinky finger to play the 4th string open again, as we did on the first measure. And then we have the second measure. So from the beginning, okay, and then the 3rd measure is like the first one. And the 4th measure is almost like the 2nd one. It starts in the same way, but right after we play the 4th string open, the last tone that we played on the 2nd measure, we are going to play as well the 3rd string open, like this. That's the 4th measure. Okay, so now I'm going to play from the beginning, the measure 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and now we can try that part together. 1, 2, 3 and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and... Perfect. Then we arrive to the 5th measure, and that one is the same as the first one. And after that, the 6th measure is that we lift the index finger and we play the 5th string open, like that. So from the 5th measure, then the measure 7 is like the 2nd one. So there we have measure 5, 6 and 7. let's try those three measures together. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and now we arrive to the 8th measure, and this is a measure with only 2 beats, not like the other ones, where we had 4 beats. And it works like this. We put the second finger, the middle finger, on the 2nd fret 5th string, and on the right hand we play strings 6, 5, and then we put the index finger on the 2nd fret 6th string, and we keep that middle finger that we had, and we play again strings 6 and 5. So it becomes like this. And that's the 8th measure. So I play from the measure 5. Okay, and right after that we just have to repeat from the beginning. It's where that solo guitar starts. Okay, so as soon as we play on the measure 8, we start from the beginning. Okay, so let's try from the beginning, and we play it only one time. We don't have to repeat it. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, and this time we can try again, and we repeat. Okay, as soon as we play that last measure, we start from the beginning. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... And that was one by Metallica. If you want to get more videos like this one, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com. If there's a song that you want to learn how to play and you don't find it in my website, just write me a comment and I'm going to try to do a video for you. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video.